I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I are so sweet.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back to my channel. Alright y'all, so yes, I am reviewing a synthetic wig today from the infamous Outre NEESHA. It's Outre NEESHA 202 that I'm wearing now. And I'll also be reviewing NEESHA 201 for you as well. But before we get into this video, if you are not, make sure you are subscribed and make sure your notification bell is turned on so that you do not miss another upload. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this review of NEESHA that I'm sure you've seen a million times, but you have not seen her reviewed by moi, by me. Let's go. Alright, so this is the hair straight out of the package, which is very nice. It also comes with the standard cap construction, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and the adjustable straps. This is what the parting space looks like, and now I have her on my head. So of course this unit comes with the very beautiful kinky texture that I love and many others seem to love as well. It is very nice quality hair.
So sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees,
I didn't feel the need to glue this unit down, so I'm just adding some bobby pins here on the sides for a little more security. And now I'm going in with this brown eyeliner around the edge of the lace so that it is camouflaged into my own hair and blends with my own hair. This unit does come with a lot of filler hair, so I am trying to flatten it as much as possible with this hot comb. And now I'm just going in with my foundation powder, as I always do, into the parting space. Here you can see some of that filler hair I was talking about. So I'm just going to go in and try to cut out some of this hair. I did get this tactic from my girl Gladys, also known as Is That Your Hair? And it seems to work really well in flattening out that top area.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I are so sweet, talking till we asleep.
Alright y'all, so here's my final look on NEESHA 202. I absolutely love this unit. I feel like I'm going to like all of them because the hype has been built up so much that I actually have seen with my own eyes how great these units are. Now, my little con is a whole lot of filler hair going on up in here. So you saw me go in and just kind of part through and cut out some hair just to kind of flatten this area because it was super puffy. And of course I got this tactic from my girl, Is That Your Hair? You know, I like to give credit where credit is due. Now, I'm so glad I got this in a natural 1B color because I feel like I can wear her anywhere. I can wear her to work, my kids' school, I can go to happy hour. Like, she's very versatile and looks super natural, y'all. So I feel like I didn't do a whole lot with this one either. I did not lay any baby hairs and that looks super natural right there, y'all. I did go in with my hot comb and try to press down this little humpage area in addition to cutting out some of the hair, which was super necessary. So I'm all the way here for NEESHA 202. Alright, so now I'm going to switch to NEESHA 201 and then we'll see how she's looking as well. Be right back. Alright y'all, so this is the final look of NEESHA 201, honey. Now, once again, loving every single last one of the NEESHAs. OG, 201, 202, and 203. Overall, bomb.com. But this shedding issue is pretty consistent with all of them. So if you can get past that, you could actually have a wonderful experience with these wigs, I'm telling you. Because they're absolutely beautiful and look so freaking natural. I don't think I laid baby hairs down with any of them. So if you're not a fan of the baby hairs and don't really care for them, perfect wig for you, honey. And the fact that it's this nice natural textured hair fibers is just wonderful, y'all. No tangling with any of them. I mean, the fibers are so nice and soft, and it is very full density. So if you don't like a lot of fullness or full density, might not be the wig for you. And that's for any of the NEESHAs because they're all heavy on the density side. Now this color, y'all know I started loving this color so much in 2019. I still love it. So I'm glad I got the 1B in the longer 202. And then this DR 2730 in NEESHA 201. So I think if I had to choose between all of them, this one might be my favorite because of the length. It is such a nice, I don't know, never mind. Ooh, I'm thinking back. I'm having flashbacks, y'all. I'm thinking back. So when I put on those two NEESHA 203s, and even though it was long and full, I absolutely loved both of those. I feel like those could easily be managed with either pulling all the hair back, or I even put it in a ponytail at one point. I think I went out, I had spent half the day with it out, and then the other half of the day in a ponytail, and just having that type of versatility with 203 was magnificent. But of course this video is on 201 and 202, and between these two, I like this one, this 201, because it's such a nice, comfortable length. Alright, so let me go ahead and give y'all a 360 real quick. And booyah. So this wig was purchased from wigtypes.com, and she retails at $31.94. At least that's what she was when I purchased it, according to my log. I did not go on the site to see if that is the current price, but if it is different, I will make sure I put it down in the description box below. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.